we want to make it the best community that we can possibly make it, the most positive, the most inspiring community. But we want to make sure that we actually have programs and courses and things that we're adding onto AOE that actually make sense based on research. And if you do have your own brand and you do have your own list, I do recommend you email that list. Also, a lot of the things that I actually do in terms of emailing you, and I guess that's all sales and marketing, right? It really is at the end of the day. And that's something that you should be looking at and seeing how we do things within AOE to apply that to your business. And why did I say get the list together or email your list if you have a brand? Well, that really helps you with your customer avatar, right? So when you're initially starting your business and when you're initially starting your product or sell your first products, we're really guessing when it comes to building our customer avatar, right? We really are. We're trying to get the best possible guest that we can. So when you start to have your list of customers, the best thing you can do is actually just ask them, right? Ask them what they want, ask them what they'd like to see on the next product or what different colors that you don't have on a certain product. In our case, it's about what you'd like to see within the actual community itself and what programs you'd like to see and where you think that we can actually improve, right? And there's definitely always room to improve. Okay, cool. So this was a survey I had actually sent out. Let's Get Real survey. And I kind of like the name. I made it up, so maybe I'm being a little bit biased there, but I think it's good because it is all about getting real. It's about getting honesty from all of you and about putting in the comments, regardless of what they are, right? I'm willing to accept anything. Okay, cool. All right, great. So let's go through the list. And I said that I will not ask you to do something that I wouldn't do myself. So I want to go through and answer this also with you in terms of where I think things can be improved. So where are you currently at with your online journey? Well, with me, I have a number of products, right? So I would have chose number 3, my products or products are live, right? How many products do I currently have? There's probably about 100 plus SKUs. I would say over probably 2 or 3 different brands that we actually have. So we have about 100 plus products. Were you interested in selling or currently selling your products? So currently we actually have about 13 wholesalers in Australia that actually stock our products. And then we also do sell on Amazon, Shopify, soon to be eBay, and a few other channels also, right? And that question was really good because it helps me steer it also in terms of maybe you're getting success with another platform that we haven't actually even entertained yet, right? So I really kind of want to know where your sales are coming from. I know for us, for example, Shopify has been really great for us. There's no doubt about that. And I think we're going to be doing probably even a little bit more stuff on Shopify because I think it's just a brilliant, I guess a brilliant marketplace or a brilliant resource to actually have as part of your business, right? The one thing about Shopify is it gets tricky because you're the one that actually needs to do the marketing, right? So, but if you can get that right, and they're going to be things that we're going to teach, then Shopify is a really, really great one because you get to build your own list. Your actual brand becomes worth a lot more also because you do have that list and you're making a lot more sales from your website. Where if your sales were purely all on Amazon and you went to go try to sell that business, you probably wouldn't get as much for it as you would if you had your own Shopify store, if you had your own customer database. And the reason for that is because people are scared of Amazon, right? When they buy an Amazon brand, they're thinking, well, anything can really go wrong when it comes to Amazon IP infringement or anything like that, for example. So they kind of get a little bit nervous. But if you do have your own store, it's a good idea. And having your own store also means that not only you're building your own list, but it also actually means you have another asset, right, in terms of your actual business assets. And when you think about advertising and advertising on Amazon, a lot of us spend a lot of money running PPC, right? We'll probably spend anywhere between $2,000 to $10,000 or sometimes even $20,000 a month. Well, that's advertising money that can go on from Facebook ads to your Shopify account, right? So I'm a big believer in having your own brand and building your own brand. And I know as I went through the responses, I kind of had the majority were also thinking that, but also the majority were looking at kind of, making an income online regardless of how it was, but also having the opportunity to build their own brand. So that's been good.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.